Linking your bank account to Jira Service Management can streamline your financial processes and improve your project management efficiency. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your Jira account. Log into your Jira Service Management account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select account settings or billing depending on your version of Jira. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payment methods or billing information. Click on this option to view your current payment methods and options or add new ones. Step 4. Add bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Jira Service Management, enhancing your financial management capabilities within the platform.